approach for this case law. Yeah, because we also announced that the revision of our approach. New information was released, and also new incidents also occurred, and then also that challenged the UNNHCR conclusion of the fundamental and durable changes in Chin state and several regions. So that was also communicated to the Chin refugee community and NGOs and also the host governments and also the relevant stakeholders. And then also UNNHCR stated since the beginning of that reviewing process that organization would continuously monitor the situation in the area of origin. As a result of the deteriorating security situation in some area of the Chin state over the last 2 months, UNNHCR has assessed that conditions no longer support the determination to reevaluate the continuing needs for the international protection for Chin refugees. So as a result, Chin refugees maintain that refugee status, and we discontinue that reviewing process since then. And with the Chin refugee community, the community-based organization representative structures continue to play a key role in advocating for the need for the protection needs, and also bringing positive impacts of the community-based protection, and ensuring open communication among the refugees, UNHCR, and other also the stakeholders. As with all the refugees recognized by UNHCR, also Chin refugees maintain the right to return home if they desire. And for those who express a wish to return, UNHCR remains ready to facilitate voluntary repatriation through the provision of information of the area of origin when available, and assistance in preparing necessary documents, provision of the financial package to facilitate travel and reintegration, and monitoring return where possible. That is also communicated to the Chin refugee community during that meeting. And then to conclude my speech this time, I just wanted to briefly mention about the Global Compact on the Refugee, which was concluded in December. The Global Compact Refugee was adopted by the UN General Assembly in December 2018. The Global Compact is aimed at ease pressure on the host countries, enhance the refugees' self-reliance, and support conditions in the country